Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's fundamental for anyone who loves to build, create, or fix things: hand tools. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your DIY journey, having the right tools and knowing how to use them is the key to success. We'll explore the must-have essentials and then take a closer look at the art of precision with measuring tools. Plus, we've got some incredible behind-the-scenes footage from a factory to show you how these amazing tools are made. Let's get started. First up, let's talk about the absolute cornerstones of any toolbox. You can't get far without a good hammer. The most versatile is the claw hammer. The flat face is for driving nails, while the claw is perfect for pulling them out. When you're choosing one, feel the weight and grip. A comfortable hammer becomes an extension of your arm. Look for one with a solid head and a handle that absorbs shock. Your wrist will thank you later. Next, we have the dynamic duo. Screwdrivers. You'll need both a Phillips head, with its cross-shaped tip, and a flathead. It's best to get a set with various sizes, because using the wrong size can strip the screw head, turning a simple job into a real headache. A magnetic tip is a fantastic feature, helping you hold the screw in place, especially in tight spots. For versatility, a multi-bit screwdriver is a space-saving champion. Now, let's get a grip with pliers. There are three types you should absolutely have. First, slip joint pliers. Their adjustable pivot point makes them incredibly versatile for gripping various sized nuts and bolts. Then, you need needle nose pliers. Their long, slender jaws are perfect for reaching into tight spaces, bending wires, and handling small components. Finally, locking pliers, or vice grips, are like a third hand. You can clamp them onto a workpiece and they'll hold on tight, freeing up your hands for other tasks. No toolbox is complete without a set of wrenches. An adjustable wrench is a great Allen-one tool, allowing you to tackle different sizes of nuts and bolts. However, for a more secure fit and better torque, a combination wrench set is unbeatable. One end is open for quick use, and the other is a box end for a firm, non-slip grip. Always pull a wrench towards you, never push. It's a simple safety tip that can save your knuckles. Rounding out our essentials is a reliable utility knife. From opening boxes to cutting drywall or trimming materials with precision, this tool is indispensable. Look for one with a comfortable ergonomic handle and an easy-to-use blade changing mechanism. Safety is paramount, so always remember to retract the blade when you're not using it. A sharp blade is actually safer than a dull one because it requires less force and is less likely to slip. Now, let's go behind the curtain and see how some of these incredible tools are born. We're at a state-of-the-art manufacturing facility where raw steel is transformed into the trusty tools we rely on. Look at this. Huge bars of high-carbon steel are heated in massive furnaces until they glow cherry red. This process, called forging, is where the magic begins. Powerful drop hammers, weighing several tons, strike the heated steel into a rough shape, like the head of a hammer or the jaws of a wrench. This process doesn't just shape the metal, it aligns its grain structure, making the final tool incredibly strong and durable. Sparks fly as the metal is molded with immense force and precision. It's a powerful dance of heat and pressure. After forging, the tool blanks go through a series of machining processes. Here, CNC machines, which are computer-controlled, mill, grind, and drill the tools to their exact specifications. This is where the fine details, like the serrations on a pair of pliers or the precise hex shape of a wrench end, are created. The level of accuracy here is mind-blowing. Next comes heat treatment, a critical step that gives the tool its strength and hardness. The tools are heated again in a controlled environment and then rapidly cooled, or quenched, in oil or water. This process hardens the steel, but also makes it brittle. So, they go through another heating process called tempering, which removes the brittleness while retaining the hardness. It's this perfect balance that makes a tool tough enough to withstand years of use. Finally, the tools are finished. They might be polished to a mirror shine, coated with chrome for corrosion resistance, or fitted with ergonomic handles made from durable composite materials. Every single tool goes through rigorous quality control checks to ensure it meets the highest standards before it ever reaches your hand. Seeing this process up close gives you a whole new appreciation for the engineering and craftsmanship that goes into every single tool. Now that we've covered the essentials, let's shift our focus to something equally important: precision. As the old saying goes, measure twice, cut once. That's not just a catchy phrase. It's the golden rule of craftsmanship. The quality of your work is directly tied to the accuracy of your measurements. The most fundamental measuring tool is the tape measure. It's your go-to for almost everything. A good tape measure should have a sturdy case, a reliable locking mechanism, and clear, easy-to-read markings. That little metal hook at the end, it's designed to move slightly. That's to account for the thickness of the hook itself, ensuring you get an accurate reading whether you're pushing it against a surface or hooking it over an edge. Look for one with a standout of at least 7 or 8 feet, which means how far you can extend it before it bends. For smaller, more precise measurements, a combination square is a must-have. This versatile tool is more than just a ruler. It consists of a blade and an adjustable head that can be set to 90 and 45-degree angles. This makes it perfect for checking for squareness, marking perfect right angles for cuts, and even checking the depth of a hole or groove. It's a woodworker's best friend but is just as useful in metalworking and general construction. When you need to measure angles with greater precision, a digital angle finder is an amazing piece of tech. It can give you an instant, precise reading of any angle down to a tenth of a degree. This is incredibly useful for crown molding, custom joinery, or any project where complex angles are involved. It takes the guesswork out of tricky cuts and ensures a perfect fit every time. For the ultimate in precision, we have calipers. Digital calipers can measure the outside diameter, inside diameter, and depth of an object with incredible accuracy, often down to 1/1000th of an inch. They are essential for mechanical work, 3D printing, or any project where tiny fractions of a millimeter matter. They allow you to ensure parts fit together perfectly and meet exact specifications. So there you have it, a deep dive into the essential hand tools and the art of precision measurement. Building your toolkit is a journey, not a race. Start with these quality basics, and you'll have a foundation that can handle almost any project you can dream of. Remember that taking care of your tools is just as important as choosing the right ones. Keep them clean, dry, and sharp, and they'll serve you well for a lifetime. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel more confident tackling your next project. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please hit that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you never miss an update. What's your favorite can't live without hand tool? Let me know in the comments below. Until next time, stay safe and keep building.